The Mazda CX-5 has been totally invigorated for the 2017 model year, and not long after it has gotten some tech upgrades which included chamber deactivation innovation. Nonetheless, that isn't all. As indicated by the most recent bits of gossip, the company is now arranging the all-new 2019 Mazda CX-5. The freshest 2019 Mazda CX-5 will in all probability touch base with an indistinguishable motor from its antecedent. This implies it will highlight one motor choice under its hood. It is a 2.5-liter inline-4 unit. This motor can create up to 187 steeds and the torque of 185 pound-feet. It sets with a 6-speed programmed gearbox as it were. The front-wheel drive setup will be standard as usual. Notwithstanding, the all-wheel drive framework will be accessible also. It is still not uncovered when the 2019 Mazda CX-5 show up available. With respect to the valuing, it ought to be like the present model, which begins at around $25,000 and goes up to $31,000 for the best trims.